All right, we are here at my listing at 221 Dorothy Street. This is in Auburndale. This is near the flea market. It's actually right off the road where Pelican Snowballs is. Got a nice carport there. The roof is new. This is a 2-bed, 2-bath. It's listed for $279,900. It's on a nice piece of land. Hard to find lot sizes these days. There's no HOA here either, which is hard to find as well. So this is the formal living room. We got a little closet there. Let's go down the hallway and we'll see the bedrooms and bathrooms are all down here. There's your guest bathroom. There's a big long bedroom. I think this was 2 bedrooms at one point. And you've got a really nice big walk-in closet. You probably want to change the purple paint, but otherwise it's great closet space. And then you got your second bedroom. This one has a smaller walk-in closet. And you've got your second bathroom. Go back out to the main living area. You've got your kitchen. You can add more cabinet space underneath there or use that as a desk. Newer appliance, newer fridge, and a newer dishwasher. Brand new hot water heater. This is your laundry room. The washer and dryer do convey. A lot of space in here if you want to use this as a pantry as well for some extra storage. This is an older home, so it could use some updating. But here's my favorite room of the house. You've got a little dining area and your family room. I love the brick wall, the fireplace. So this is great. The attic does have plywood, so you can store stuff up there with no problem. And then you've got a nice screened-in porch. And a really nice sized backyard. As you can see, it's getting harder and harder to find lot sizes this big these days. There is a shed that conveys as well. This home is ready for you to move in. The sellers have moved out, so contact me. Let's schedule an appointment. Let's show you this house. It is move-in ready. There's nothing wrong with the house. It's more about taste and whether or not you want to update it. It is an older home, but it is in good condition. So contact me. Let's show you this home. Let's get you into a home. If you have questions, I'd be happy to answer them.